Scalability is a mindset. With Nitro events, we would like to give scale-ups a boost. Today's event shows that we are on the right way.
Business angels of Slovenia are always on the lookout for companies that are scalable.
We're developing a system for sorting of non-ferrous metal, and we're looking for an investment of €1 million to finalize the product.